Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we're going to explore the intricate world of preventive maintenance schedules for manufacturing equipment. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this video is tailored for you. We'll highlight some expert opinions, reveal ways to optimize your maintenance practices, and give you a fresh perspective on preventive maintenance schedules. Are you ready to rethink and revamp your maintenance strategy? Let's get started. Diving right in, it's crucial to understand that preventive maintenance schedules can sometimes fall short. Dave Ingham, a maintenance engineer, points out that equipment preventive maintenance intervals can vary greatly depending on factors like service, criticality, and design. He emphasizes that many schedules are optimized for specific pieces of equipment after years of operation. Joe Longin, a performance management consultant, adds that these schedules should be driven by various factors, including condition, failures reported, and regulations, rather than just sticking strictly to a recommended schedule. Let's now shift our focus on how to broaden your preventive maintenance strategy. Dave and Joe suggest that flexibility is key. Your equipment and its specific needs should dictate your schedule. If something in your current plan doesn't make sense, it's time to take a closer look and see what adjustments could be made to improve and enhance your maintenance processes. Time to share some insights on how to facilitate optimization in your preventive maintenance. Eric Hupje, a maintenance and reliability manager, warns against solely relying on equipment manuals, which often aim to minimize risk during the warranty period rather than focusing on long-term value for the equipment owner. He advocates for maintenance programs that consider the specific impact of equipment failure within your operations. Julian Zek, who specializes in maintenance optimization, highlights the importance of prioritizing safety and protecting equipment integrity in preventive maintenance, especially in high-stake environments like offshore operations. Key to this is also listening to your equipment, as Clint Milieu, a facilities management consultant, advises. He splits maintenance needs into wear-related and non-wear-related items, choosing maintenance intervals based on actual equipment usage, which can be more effective than following manufacturers' recommendations. He also incorporates condition-based maintenance tasks like oil sampling, thermography, or vibration analysis to address non-wear-related issues. Finally, finding the right balance in your preventive maintenance can be tricky, but is achievable by optimizing your processes. Start by identifying your most critical assets, aligning your maintenance team's tasks with company needs, scheduling work orders efficiently, and integrating recurring tasks into daily schedules. Remember, maintaining a level of flexibility while standardizing processes is crucial for streamlining operations. To wrap it up, optimizing your preventive maintenance schedules and strategies isn't just about following a set plan. It's about adapting and responding to the specific needs of your equipment and operations, ensuring safety, and maximizing efficiency and value. Thank you for watching. Today, we've explored preventive maintenance schedules, the importance of flexibility, and how to optimize your maintenance processes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more expert insights. For more detailed information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, it's not just about following a plan, but adapting and responding to the specific needs of your equipment and operations. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on maintaining and enhancing your operational success.